Welcome to Cell Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of a video using green screen effects, or some people call them chroma key. Just like you see in my video, the background of the lady is changing. Before we begin, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also give it a thumbs up, and also you can like, share with your friends. Now let's begin. Now I have various videos here that I just imported in my gallery. Now most of them have green background, but some don't. I'll start with this one here, which I'll drag on my timeline here. You can see it has a green background. For us to succeed to remove a background from a video, it has to have a plain background. Doesn't matter whether green, blue, black or white, but initially people used to use green. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to visual effects. Then I'll just come to somewhere else. You scroll and come to somewhere called remove color. Then I'm just going to drag this one here. Then it will give me this effect added. Then I'll click it here. Then if you come on my right side here, you'll see these options here. I'll just click this one here. Then it will give me this something like an eyedropper. Then I'll come and select the color that I want to remove. I'll just remove that one like that, and that's how I've removed. Let me put it to fit. Let me fit. That's how to remove a background. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust it so that it becomes, you can see some greenish effects. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust this one a little bit like so, and also this one I'm going to adjust like so. Then I can just play like that. You can see the next thing. Let us see if the background is removed. I'm going to come to my media again, and I'm going to change the background. Maybe this is a picture background. I'm just going to drag it below the video. As you can see, now you can see the background has changed, but you realize the eyes are bluish. So maybe we try to adjust it again. This effects, I'll just double click so that it activates the effects. So you can see, you can just adjust and it will just be okay. You can see now the eyes are not that blue. I can also put another, this video background. I can also put this video background here. As you can see, it is asking me. I'll just say I'll continue. You can also put another background there. You can see there. You can even put a video background. But also you see this one is floating. So maybe I can come again and adjust a little bit so that it becomes okay. Now if I play, you can see that I can put many background. Now I want to add another green, this butterfly, which is also as a green screen background. So if I come here, I'll just come again to visual effects. I'll just come remove color here. Then I'll double click this one here. Then I'll just come and click this one here. Come and remove the color just like that. Then you can see it is flying. Now I want to put this below, above this video here. As you can see now, you can see the butterfly. Maybe I adjust the butterfly somewhere like so. Maybe I can also adjust, I can position it. Maybe let me click it first. Yeah, I can position it somewhere. Maybe let me position it. Maybe I can position it somewhere here. Now and then I will put it from end to end. No, let me just put it somewhere there. Now if I play, you can see the butterfly over the lady like so. So that's how to remove a background from a video using green screen or chroma key effect. So that's it. So guys, kindly, if you find values in my videos, you can give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel. You can also give it a like. You can also share with your friends. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.